Before you buy that vitamin C supplement, let me show you a very simple natural juice that can help to provide your body with high level of vitamin C. All you need to make this juice is pineapple, 1 lemon, oranges, bell pepper. Studies have shown that bell pepper contains high level of vitamin C. Then you can add a little ginger to spice up the juice. This juice will help to boost your immune system and help your body to fight infection. It will also provide your body with powerful antioxidants that will help fight oxidative stress. It will help with digestion and also help to reduce inflammation in your body. It will also help your body to produce collagen, which is very important for healthy skin. So what you have to do is to blend all of this together. So this is what we have when you must have blended all the recipes together. You can turn this into a tumbler or a glass cup and enjoy. You can also fill it in bottles and store in your refrigerator. Ensure that you are consistent with taking this so that you are able to provide your body with the vitamin C that it requires on a daily basis. Try this out and let us know your experience from this juice in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.